You guys loved my keto biscuits that I shared a few weeks ago so much, which makes me happy because it's like one of my favorite things lately. If you haven't made them yet, you can swipe up here for the post, and there's a recipe demo on how to make the biscuits in the post. I have so many ideas of ways I want to use these biscuits and recipes I want to adapt with them. Today I'm going to share my first one. It's for keto biscuits and gravy. So it's the same biscuits that we love, topped with this sausage and mushroom gravy. I have my cast iron skillet over medium heat. I started the onions in some ghee. I cooked them for like 3 or 4 minutes. Now I've added in the ground pork. And these are the spices. We have garlic powder, sage, salt, and fennel. So it's that great like breakfast sausage flavors you love. Add that in, and then now I like to break it up with a potato masher to get the meat all broken up, and we'll get this cooking. The sausage has been cooking for maybe 5 minutes. It's almost done, so now I'm gonna add in 8 ounces of organic mushrooms that I chopped small and get these cooking. For the gravy, you need just 3 ingredients. The thickener is tapioca starch, which is a Whole30 compliant, it's like a flour thickener substitute, and it's fine for keto. We're using just 2 tablespoons, so it's still gonna be really low carb. And then here I have bone broth and cashew cream that I already mixed up. You can see like the delicious fat from my homemade bone broth. If you don't wanna use cashew cream, you can use coconut milk or nut pods, original flavor nut pods, or if you're okay with dairy, you can use heavy cream. Here is the sausage mixture. I let it cook until it got nice and golden brown and caramelized. This is gonna give it the best flavor. So now we'll make the gravy. So right on top, I'm gonna sprinkle on the tapioca starch. And then let me tap it all out. One-handed, okay. So now with my whisk, I'm going to make a roux using just the leftover cooking fat from the sausage. And I wanna cook it for a couple seconds. This will cook off any of the flour flavor. And then I'm doing this in real time so you guys can see just how I do it. Okay, that's good. So now, I'm gonna do this one-handed. I'm gonna pour in the liquid just a little bit first and start whisking right away, and this way I won't get lumps. And then let me add in the rest. You can see it's already thickening. So now I'll add in the rest of the mixture and bring it to a bubble. Oh, look how nice and thick. Okay, I just poured in the rest, so now I'm gonna get it all stirred together and wait until it simmers, and once it's simmering, it'll be nice and thick. Okay, here it is like 2 or 3 minutes later. Now that it's bubbling, it activated the tapioca starch. Look how thick and amazing this gravy is. Oh, it's so good.